Hello friends, and in this video we are going to learn about the basic structure of an automobile. Automobile is made of hundreds of different parts which can be broadly categorized into 6 components: basic structure, power unit, transmission system, auxiliary, controls, and superstructure. The first 5 components is collectively known as automobile chassis. The basic structure of an automobile is the unit on which all the other automobile units like engine, transmission system, etc. are attached. It mainly comprises of frame, suspension system, axle and wheels. Now let's discuss each of them in briefly. Frame. It is the main structure of an automobile that bears the most of its weight. Frame construction is done generally in two ways: conventional construction and frameless construction. In conventional construction, a conventional pressed steel frame is prepared and all the mechanical units are attached to it, and then the body is superimposed on it. Whereas in frameless construction, the body is designed in a such way that the function of the body and the frame is combined and the mechanical units are directly attached to the body. Suspension system. Function of a suspension system is it is responsible for preventing the road shocks from being transmitted to the vehicle, safeguarding the passenger from road shocks, preserving the stability of vehicle during pitching and rolling. Generally, there are two types of suspension system: conventional system and independent system. In conventional system, the road springs are attached to a rigid beam axle, whereas in independent suspension system, there is no rigid axle beam and each wheel is free to move vertically without affecting the other wheels. Axles are the central shaft that connects the wheels to the frame. Depending on your use, axles can be of two types: live axle and dead axle. Live axle transmits the torque received from the engine to the driving wheels, whereas dead axle just connects the wheels to the frame but does not transmit any power. Wheels are one of the important component of an automobile. Without wheel, the vehicle cannot be even towed. Wheel carries the entire weight of the vehicle. Generally, wheels are of three types: disc wheel, wire wheel and alloy wheel. So in this video we have covered the basic structure of automobile and what are the main components of it.